Motor starting. Yeah, motor starting. Whoa, we are away. Same thing, but whoa. Okay. We have these two beasts, so we've got the Avata 2 and we've got the Neo. I'm now going to compare this one against this one. I've been flying this for a while. I haven't flown this. Well, I done like 5 minutes last night, but let's see how they compare. Okay, test number one, we're just going to take off. We're going to punch it as hard as we can, as fast as we can, and see what it looks like. First with the Avata. We are motor starting. We are away. Okay, the same with the Neo. Now I do have the stealth props on, so that's the only difference between the standard Neo. I've got the rate set the same, so I'm at 700 on the rates. I'll put it to 27 degrees. Motor starting. Whoa, same thing, but whoa. Motor starting. Yeah, motor starting. Whoa, same thing, but whoa. Motor starting. Yeah, motor starting. Whoa, same thing, but whoa. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, leaving them both set at 27 degrees. Let's do some speed runs up and down now. We're going to go in both directions because there is a bit of wind. Where are you landing? I don't know where it landed. Okay, so we'll set that off. Well, let's go first with the Neo. I'm going to do 4 runs, 2 in each direction. Okay, I'm going to try and keep roughly the same height. It's a bit shaky. Okay, run number 2. And we got like 17 meters per second there. Okay, back in this direction again. Much slower this way, obviously the wind makes a difference. So around 13 I think that way. Very shaky. Okay, one more back. See if I can get the same height. Okay, 18 meters per second I think that was. Okay, let's bring it back, swap it to the Avata. Okay, we are in manual, we're at 27 degrees. Okay. Run number 1 in this direction. Didn't think I was recording then, so I took my eye off the game. Okay, didn't really see what that was. Run number 1. Okay, run number 2, but with the wind. We're at, oh Jesus, 22, 26. I just backed off actually. That wasn't great. Okay, let's go back this way. Yeah, about 17 in that direction against the wind. Okay. Getting about 23. So that's with 27 degree angle. Now I won't take, the Neo just does not fly above 27, or I can't get it to fly very well there. But with the Avata we have way more option to bank it up a bit more. So change the angle. So let's go up to 37. See what happens there. Okay. Yeah, I'm not flying very well in a straight line. Okay, get used to it. Yeah, we're getting about 27, I think that was. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're getting over 20 on the way back now as well. One more. Yeah, 27. So just looking at the camera qualities now, let's compare the two. So I'm just going to have a little bit of a fly around. Let's go down actually through, let's do a little run through here and up. Not hit the post, that's where I lost Neo number 1 in that post. Down here. We'll have a look at the quality of the video. Down through the trees. Like this. And coming up to the sand, the sea. Go up a little bit higher. So video quality this close, we're like, I don't know, 1.5 meters away. Different sunlight. Okay, that's the first comparison done between the Avata 2 and the Neo. I mean, the Neo is still amazing. It's still great fun. I'm not going to get rid of it for sure. It's going to be my fun drone. Tight gaps, take a little bit more risks with this. However, when it's windy, when I want speed, when I want stuff to look good, I'm obviously going to use the Avata 2. But it'll be interesting to see over the next few days how I go with doing flips and gaps and stuff like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you've got any comparisons that you want me to do between the two. So today we looked at the takeoff, the picture quality, and the speed ones. Thumbs up and subscribe would be appreciated. I'll speak to you guys in the next one.